I'm Thomas Bertani. I'm the CEO of Oracleize. So Oracleize is a company operating in the blockchain space since 2015. So it's pretty much 3 years now. We have been live on mainnet for 2 years and a half now on Ethereum.
Excellent. So you moved in early in this space.
Yeah, I mean, Ethereum was really something very interesting for us at the time, and it makes perfect sense for our business proposition. And it's one of the blockchain where we are integrated, but it's 99% of where our users operate.
So what are the major problems that your service solves?
So Oracleize is a solution for providing data from external contexts. So once you are in the blockchain space, you live like on a specific platform, like on Ethereum. So we say that the applications built there are like in a walled garden. So they cannot reach out to anything else. You are like in a sandbox. Right. So this makes it impossible for developers to build applications that are data rich. So if you want to delegate to an off-chain context a computation, or to check from Ethereum the state of a Bitcoin transaction, or if you want simply to check what's the temperature in Paris, you need somehow to have an Oracle service that's reliably provides this data to you.
Right. How did you guys become the leader in the Oracle services?
Well, we started early when the problem pretty much didn't exist.
Right.
So we started working on a solution, and we had a lot of time to reiterate. And now the solution, I think, is quite solid. And we have a number of projects that work on mainnet based on Oracleize, so we are really happy of the current situation. And we basically found ourselves in a good position once the market demand started coming. So.
Right, and you mentioned actually there were 400 projects using Oracleize.
Yeah, there are 400 plus just public GitHub repositories based on Oracleize. So the projects using it are more, but those are the ones that everybody can track on GitHub.
And as more and more projects use this, it becomes a more solid part of the whole ecosystem, is that right?
Yes, right. I mean, today is the de facto standard to get external data, and we are working on different ways to improve the service, to make the guarantees stronger, and to keep providing a good service. So we often listen to the feedback and requests from users, which are a lot.
Excellent. We were talking earlier about how you were maybe one of the first people to play around with the Ethereum alarm clock that Piper Miriam started. And can you tell us a little bit about how that could possibly integrate with your type of service?
Yeah, so the alarm clock is really a super exciting project to me because it gives stronger guarantees than the one we give for scheduling some callbacks in time. And this is not really the point that Oracleize wants to address, right? So Oracleize wants to secure the execution of a process. The process could be the data fetching from a web API, or it could be the generation of a random number or something like this. So people have been using Oracleize also to schedule some recurrent queries, like please call my contract every hour. But the Ethereum alarm clock is something that is specifically designed to solve in a reliable way this problem.
Right.
So I think that at some point, once the Ethereum alarm clock will be more tested in production, and there will be more tools to make it easy for people to interact with it, it just makes perfect sense for us to integrate, so that we can focus on our core service and we can keep this additional feature for the alarm clock itself.
Excellent to hear that. How can people learn more about your service, Oracleize?
So most of the resources are available on our documentation, so docs.oracleize.it. And on our GitHub, which is just github.com/Oracleize, there are many repositories with examples, with resources like this. We also have a community channel on Gitter with more than 500 developers, which exchange ideas or solve problems together. So yeah, this is the way to get started.
Excellent. And good luck with your talk and everything, and thank you for being a speaker here.
Thank you very much, and thank you.